This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Park the vehicle on level ground before any of the fluid level checks are conducted. Pull the bonnet's release lever inside the vehicle. Pull the bonnet safety latch in the direction of the arrow, then raise the bonnet upwards. Brake fluid level. The min and max marks are indicated on the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, first wipe clean the area around the filler cap to prevent dirt entering the hydraulic system. Unscrew the reservoir cap. Carefully add fluid, taking care not to spill it onto the surrounding components. Use only the specified fluid. Mixing different types can cause damage to the system. On completion, securely refit the cap and wipe away any spilt fluid. Engine oil level. Modern engines place great demands on their oil. It's very important that the correct oil for your car is used. If you have to add oil frequently, you should check whether you have any oil leaks. Place some clean paper under the car overnight and check for stains in the morning. If there are no leaks, then the engine may be burning oil. The dipstick is located on the left-hand side of the engine. Withdraw the dipstick. Using a clean rag or paper towel, wipe all oil from the dipstick. Insert the clean dipstick into the tube as far as it will go, then withdraw it again. Note the oil level on the end of the dipstick, which should be between the upper and lower marks. Approximately 1 litre of oil will raise the level from the lower mark to the upper mark. Oil is added through the filler cap on top of the engine. Turn the cap through a quarter turn anti-clockwise and withdraw it. Top up the level. A funnel may help to reduce spillage. Add the oil slowly, checking the level on the dipstick often. Do not overfill. Refit the filler cap and fully insert the dipstick. Coolant level. The coolant level varies with the temperature of the engine. When the engine is cold, the coolant level should be between the min and max marks on the expansion tank. If topping up is necessary, wait until the engine is cold. Slowly unscrew the expansion tank cap to release any pressure present in the cooling system and remove the cap. Add the correct mixture of water and antifreeze to the expansion tank until the coolant level reaches the max mark. Refit the cap securely. Power steering fluid level. Position the vehicle with the front wheel straight ahead and the engine stopped. The level check may be made with the hydraulic fluid cold or hot. The power steering fluid reservoir is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Slowly unscrew and remove the filler cap, which incorporates a fluid level dipstick. Wipe clean the dipstick with a clean cloth, then screw it onto the reservoir and unscrew it again. If the fluid is cold, that is less than 50 degrees centigrade, the level must be within 2 mm above or below the min marking. If it is hot, the level must be between the min and max marks. When topping up is required, add the specified type of fluid as necessary. On completion, refit and tighten the cap. Windscreen washer fluid level. The reservoir for the windscreen and the headlight washer systems is on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. A screen wash additive should be added in the quantities recommended on the bottle that was purchased. Secure the cap by pressing it firmly downwards.